For some years now, the K.H.M.H Memorial Hospital in Belize City has been providing cardiovascular services to the public under the direction of CEO of the hospital and Belizean cardiothoracic surgeon, Dr. Adrian. With assistance from international partners, a unit was set up within the confines of the National Referral Hospital. Back in 2012, Belize's first 2 successful open-heart surgeries were performed at the K.H.M.H. But patients with heart conditions are becoming more frequent, and now, for the first time in the history of medical services, a free clinic was held by the health institution.
What we're trying to do is go to the people as opposed to people coming to K.H.M.H. This initiative has been in accordance with Heinemann Foundation. We've been partnering with them for the past couple of years in terms of cardiac care, and now we're saying, okay, there may be persons who we've been missing, so we want to come to the community and see what's happening here. Make it readily available, and like you said, free of charge.
Belizeans from across the country gathered at the St. Luke's Methodist Primary School in Belize City. After filling out the requisite forms, vitals checked, and a physical assessment conducted, medical professionals from the International Medical Outreach Program would carry out an echocardiogram test.
What we're doing is a cardiac assessment. So you come in, we take your information, your demographic information, then we also ask a series of questions like, do you have shortness of breath, are you dizzy, do you have chest pain, and all this. And so from those questions, we can then send you to the physician who can go, okay, based on what your answers have been, let me decide now what questions I need to ask, what kind of assessment. They listen to your heart, they check your pedal pulses, which is the arteries in the legs. So, from all of that, and then they'll determine whether you need an EKG or an echo. So we're doing those on site as well today. And so after you get all of that done, then then you're either referred on for additional testing or a more intense echocardiogram or heart catheterization, and then we can really diagnose.
Cardiologist Dr. Ted Frank spoke of the screening and what are the prevalent health diseases affecting Belizeans.
High blood pressure, diabetes, weak hearts, rheumatic heart disease, which can cause problems with the heart valve. So if we identify the problem, we can treat it and hopefully make a difference in that individual's life. The symptoms can be varied. Some people just feel fatigue, some people feel shortness of breath, some people feel chest discomfort. With rheumatic heart disease, which is caused by rheumatic fever, a lot of times that can cause a valve problem that really makes people get out of breath, unable to do their daily activities.
So why did people come out?
Well, it was necessary because I have a family member that's feeling some chest pains lately, and I do believe that we need to start to address the matter. Not only my family member, but the rest of Belize needs to start to address this. A lot of things come out not only because of hereditary, but people are overweight. Obesity causes problems with the health, so we need to get active and trying to do our best with our family members.
Well, I came out because I saw this on the internet, and I noticed that I have a pain in my chest and my foot start to swell. So I come over here and get a checkup, and like how I hear that one free clinic. So I just come and give myself one free checkup about it.
And Dr. Frank says today there have been some complicated cases.
We've seen some severe cases, some people who may end up needing surgery to cure their heart valve problem. We've seen high blood pressure, and that's generally we treat with medication. We've seen some people with weak hearts where we make changes in their medicines to hopefully help their heart pump more efficiently. We've also seen some other problems like rhythm problems that can be treated with certain medications. So we've seen a lot of different types of things.
Dwayne Moody.